Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said that Allah will bless the Shaheed with 6 traits. Number 1, that the first drop of blood that will be shed from their body, Allah will forgive all of their sins, and they will be able to see their seat in Jannah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala promised them that they will not be punished in the grave. They will not be scared and fearful when the people are so scared and running around. When? On Yawm al-Qiyamah. They will be given a crown of honor and dignity, al-wiqar. A lot of jewels are attached to it. Only one of them is more valuable than the whole earth and whatever it contains. Allahu Akbar. They will also be given amongst the most beautiful spouse ever created by Allah. And lastly, they will be able to intercede for 70 of their family members.
Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam is saying to us that death is a painful and difficult experience. And so we should not expect this to be an easy time, but it's a question of what you have prepared for it. But Allah can remove the pain from whoever He wills. From those people who will have the pain removed from them are the shuhada, those people who are martyred for the sake of Allah. The Prophet ﷺ, a martyr only feels the effect of being killed that one of you would feel from being bitten by a mosquito.